Understanding cultural events. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of cultural events. These events are a vibrant part of societies worldwide, and understanding them can greatly enhance your English language skills. So, let's dive in and discover what makes these events so special. Cultural events are activities that celebrate or showcase the traditions, arts, and values of a community or a society. They can range from festivals, ceremonies, and rituals to art exhibitions, music concerts, and theatrical performances. These events often reflect the heritage, history, and identity of the people involved. Festivals. Festivals are large, often outdoor events, celebrating a specific aspect of a culture, like food, music, or a historical event. Examples include Diwali in India, Carnival in Brazil, and Thanksgiving in the United States. Ceremonies and rituals. These are formal events, often with religious or historical significance, like weddings, coronations, or traditional rites. Artistic performances. These include theater plays, dance recitals, music concerts, and art exhibitions, showcasing the creative talents of artists and performers. Cultural events are crucial for preserving traditions and educating people about different ways of life. They foster community spirit and global understanding, providing a space for people to come together and share experiences. Let's explore some prominent cultural events in English-speaking countries. For instance, Shakespearean plays in the UK, jazz festivals in the USA, or Aboriginal cultural festivals in Australia. Understanding these events can provide deeper insights into the English language and its cultural contexts. Engaging with cultural events can be a fun and effective way to learn English. By attending these events or watching them online, you can learn new vocabulary, understand different accents, and get a feel for real-world English usage. Cultural events are not just entertaining. They're windows into the hearts and souls of communities. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding and appreciation of these events. Keep exploring, and enjoy the vibrant world of cultural events as you continue your English language journey. See you in the next video.